What's happening, YouTube? This is just part of the lowered life right here. Camber at the back. You're always gonna wear the back ones out a little bit more than the front. You can rotate them, but I had those Achilles Desert Hawks in the garage, so slap them on the back for right now. Thinking about going with another brand, trying them all the way around when it's time, but for right now, slap these on there, you know. Put them together now. Had to make sure that they had the direction right on it, you know. Get it together and roll on out of here now. Took a long time. Took a long time. I'm watching y'all. Alright. Got the Desert Hawks back on here. Got to get everything cleaned back up. And then we'll be ready to roll. Got to get them scuff marks out of here. Got to get these scuff marks out of here. But, shoot. We roll with it for right now. Just little mark right there. I think there's been a. Let's check it. Check it. Yeah. Want to slap some other rims on here eventually, but priorities. Get you cleaned up, get your back rolling, dog.